Hey there, welcome to our channel. As the temperature drops and winter settles in, you might think your gardening days are over, but hold on, because today we're going to talk about some fantastic plants you can grow during the winter months. That's right, winter gardening is a thing, and it's more exciting than you might think. Let's dive in. First up, we've got cool season vegetables. These hardy plants can handle chilly weather like champs. Think about planting broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale. They not only survive the cold, but thrive in it. Next, let's talk leafy greens. Spinach, lettuce, and Swiss chard are fantastic choices. You'll have a fresh supply of homegrown salads throughout the winter. Who doesn't love a crispy winter salad? Now, how about some root vegetables? Carrots, beets, and radishes are perfect for winter gardening. Just make sure the soil is well drained to prevent waterlogging. Don't forget about herbs. Many herbs are hardy enough to thrive during winter. Consider planting rosemary, thyme, and parsley. They'll add flavor to your cozy winter soups and stews. If you want to add some color to your winter garden, look no further than flowering plants. Pansies, violas, and winter blooming heathers will brighten up your garden even on the darkest days. Remember, you don't need a massive garden to enjoy winter gardening. Container gardening is an excellent option for smaller spaces and even balconies. You can grow herbs, dwarf vegetables, and even small shrubs in containers. Keep in mind that winter brings frost, especially in certain regions. Be prepared to protect your plants with frost cloths or blankets when temperatures drop. Proper watering is crucial during winter. Water your plants in the morning to prevent frost damage. Also, reduce the frequency of watering since plants don't need as much in the cooler months. Lastly, don't forget maintenance. Regularly inspect your plants for pests and diseases. Prune as needed to promote healthy growth and remove dead and damaged foliage. Winter gardening is not only possible, but also incredibly rewarding. With the right plants, a little care, and a touch of frost protection, you can keep your garden vibrant even when it's chilly outside. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow gardeners. Happy winter gardening, and see you next time.